Autoblogs are blogs that run on autopilot. They're basically self-populating blogs and a rapid way of setting up a network of sites. They're really useful for you to use for short-term income. Now, autoblogs are very powerful. They're very easy to set up, and if you do them right, you can roll out an autoblog in 5 to 10 minutes. You know, in an hour you could set up 5 or 6 sites easily, perhaps even more, depending on how quick you are with them. So you can really do some very good things with autoblogs. You do have to be aware that some search engines will consider autoblogs to be spam, but set up properly, and as we're going to talk about in this program, you'll be able to create a network of autoblogs that will last and run well for you. As long as you've got the right tools, an autoblog is easy to do. Without the right tools, you're going to struggle to make money with autoblogs. I mean, you can set them up and you can get them going, but you really want to have the right tools. And what we're going to do in this video training program is show you the right tools that you need to set up your autoblog. Now, typically an autoblog is based on WordPress. Now, obviously it's free to use, which is one of the big reasons to use it. It's good for SEO. It comes with lots of different plugins. It's very easy to use, and it's basically perfectly designed for autoblogs. Now, there are other blogging platforms out there that you could use if you wanted to, but they don't have the same functionality that WordPress does. WordPress is really advantageous, and if you have Fantastico, then you can install it with a couple of clicks. Same with Simple Scripts if your web host has that. So WordPress is the platform of choice here. Now, the whole aim of the game is that once you set the sites up, they run without your manual input. You don't have to do anything with the sites except set them up and let them going. Once they get going, then you're fine, and your site will run, and it will basically climb up the search engines and run itself pretty much on autopilot. It's a very powerful method of earning money, and it's a good way of setting up a good passive income stream. So they're a good additional stream of income, another way for you to earn money. You know, you may have membership sites, other AdSense sites, and so on, but autoblogs are a really good way for you to get going and make money. So what are we going to talk about in this program? We're going to start by talking about exactly what autoblogs are. We've had a brief introduction to them, but we're going to go into more detail about what they are and how to use them. We're going to talk about why they're profitable and why they can provide you with an excellent stream of income. They're very powerful, very good, so we just want to talk about those. We're going to talk about what to watch out for when you are creating autoblogs as well. Now, there's a number of pitfalls, a number of possible problems. So what we want to do is we want to talk about those and make you aware of the potential issues that you are facing with autoblogs and how you can get round them and create successful autoblogs that sit there and earn money for you and aren't delisted or deleted or otherwise removed. I'm going to show you how to install and configure an autoblog. Now, obviously that's not something that perhaps you know how to do, so we're going to show you exactly how to do that. We're going to demonstrate some autoblogging software, so I'm going to show you some of the plugins you can use for WordPress and how they can help you to set up a really good looking and powerful autoblog, and ultimately that's what you're after achieving. We're also going to show you a couple of special plugins. These are particularly good plugins, and they can be used to help you monetize your blog, so they're very powerful, very good. So I'm quite excited to show you those. We're also going to show you some tips for succeeding with autoblogs. Now, obviously, as I said, you can set up an autoblog, anyone can set them up, but to do well with them, you need some insider information. I mean, you can work it out through trial and failure if you want. That's your prerogative, but in order to really learn how to succeed with autoblogs, you can learn from someone who's been there and done it and made those mistakes. So you can speed up your learning curve by listening to these tips and implementing them on your websites. And of course, there's going to be much more. Now, an autoblog network can make you an awful lot of money. It will run on autopilot, so there's nothing for you to do with it. And of course, you can have options, down the line. Once they're making money, you can always sell them on or anything like that. So there's lots and lots of different choices you can make here with the auto blogs for how you earn from it. Now you can earn from affiliate commissions, you can earn from AdSense commissions, you can earn from any other type of advertising you want. So we're going to go into a lot more detail now. So I want to start going into more detail about what an auto blog is and how they work. So we're going to talk about that in the next video.